Water heater heroes sees spike in urgent repair calls in Vacaville. Vacaville homeowners are experiencing more sudden water heater failures, prompting a surge in emergency service requests to water heater heroes. Aging systems, sediment buildup, and corroded components are the leading causes, with many customers opting for replacements after emergency repairs. The company is responding by expanding scheduling and support, helping residents restore hot water quickly while offering preventative solutions to reduce future breakdowns.